What is good, my peoples? We are back. We got body warmers. I am sorry of the delay between the videos getting uploaded because it's been a long wait. Let's pop the bonnet. But yeah, videos are back. Let me just sit down for a second. So yeah, let's go. Before we start this video, let me pop the bonnet quick. Ooh, yeah. Sorry for the big delay between videos. It's just I haven't had time to make videos, and then I was going to make one and then I couldn't. But yeah, there's been like a 3 or 4 day gap, which I don't really like to usually do. But the videos are going to slow down now because, like I said, I only have weekends off. And now it's darker earlier, the clocks have gone back. It's just going to sort of screw me over a bit. Especially as where I used to go to install parts, because it used to be light inside, I'm now like banned from, so I can't go there. But we'll find somewhere else. We always find a way, boys. I've been practicing my drifting a bit more lately and getting better at that, so maybe I'll do little clips of that, but it's hard to film because you got to be very sensitive to what you film, put on the internet, and what you don't. But one last thing before we get into this video is I just want to say a massive thank you to all the support on the past 2 videos. Got over 30,000 views, like a lot of likes, really good positive comments. I wasn't sure about the exhaust because everyone was going to be like, this and that, like, why did you get a single tip? But the majority of you liked it, or if you didn't like it, you should appreciate that I've gone for something different. So massive thank you to all you guys just for the support generally. The last 2 videos did incredibly well, so I want to thank every single one of you for liking that videos and stuff like that. I mean, I don't know what I did differently in them, but thank you. And I have got a new sticker that's going to be going up on sale, but it's in my house, so I'll show you that later. But it looks sick. I'm very happy with how they've come out, and if you could purchase one of them just to help support the channel, that would be awesome as well. But let's stop rambling on, let's get into this video, boys. Let's get this. Alright, I hadn't even said about this video yet, but we need to get this off, so I need to get the headlight out, undo that. Actually, it might just be headlight and then a lower one of them. Oh, we got to get that out. Let's get that out. Okay, headlight is out. I believe this is an 8. No, that is a 7. That is a 7, not an 8. Okay, we need to get air filter out. I haven't even said what we're doing. I'll probably explain. If you don't really know what we're doing, basically, said it too much. Basically, we are cleaning our air filter because I bought it used and it's probably over a year old. I've run in it for almost a year now, and it must have a lot of shit in it, and it sounds like it's suffocating lately. So I bought an air filter cleaning kit. I was going to clean it, and I'm guessing not everyone cleans it all the time. It might just be me being an idiot. So obviously it doesn't really matter me showing you how to get an air filter out, because if you've installed one, you know how to get it out. But take your air filter out and then do what I do. Alright, that's what you're going to do, guys and girls. You take air filter out and copy me. I mean, I've got it out, and then I've noticed that should not be there. I think that's where my cold air intake at the bottom has been pushing against it. I've just took it out, but it used to go up to the cone, so I'm guessing that's half a circle. So yeah, that must have been it. And it's like a dent in there that's bent. I've never even noticed that, so I'm going to try and get some grips on that and straighten it out. But get your air filter out, and then let's clean this, because this is dirty. Like that's nasty. That's just some nasty shit, boy. Oh, okay, I'm gonna crouch down for this bit. After you've removed your air filter, as you can see, it's a foam one, and it's pretty janky. It's got a lot of dirt in it. You can see it really if you're close up to enough. You can see it, and obviously the air filter is your cold intake. Let's just move up here. Lovely. So yeah, it's a very important part of the performance wise of your car, because that is what's breathing. That is your oxygen in a sense. That's your like, we wanna. So yeah, we need to clean this out, because if we want maximum performance, we want a clean, cheeky air filter, and these are expensive to buy. They're like £100, like just for this foam bit. I think maybe more. I don't know, but yeah. I bought like a £20 ITG cleaner kit, which comes with the oil to re-lubricate with, and like a cleaner spray. So what this is, it's coated in an oil at the moment, and we need to remove that oil. So I've seen people just use the cleaner, the hot soapy water, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it all with the cleaner, like spray it to shit, put in some nice hot soapy water because it's very cold out and just squeegee it, rinse it, do some like, I don't know, and hopefully get this as clean as possible because that's what we want. I was watching like the ITG have made their own video on this, and they rinse it through a tap, and then when all water comes out clean, that is good, because if I put it on the tap now, it's going to be just some nasty stuff. So yeah, let's give this a little clean, because you know she deserves a good, I don't know, oxygen supply, I guess you could put it as. So we're gonna give her that. I'm gonna give her what she deserves. And you should do this to your cars as well if you have a performance car, because this is like the first model anyone buy. This was the first one I bought, was an air filter. So yeah, if you want to do it as well, then join me for the ride. Okay, so like I said, I got an with the ITG filter cleaner box. There's two options: there's CLK1, CLK2. I believe CLK2 is like a thicker oil, so that is what I've gone for. Oh no, JDR2 air filter oil. That is the one I've chosen to see. But that is like the last one of the last steps of it. So shut to the side, and this is universal. I mean, you can buy the oil anyway. You can get it from like Euro car parts probably. It doesn't have to be ITG. Just what I'm doing because it's the recommended one, so you can't really go wrong. And then you got the air filter cleaning fluid, which is in just a squirty bowl, which you literally just soak and drench this in. And then just down there, I have a bucket of soapy water to rinse it through afterwards as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to soak up as much as I can that filter, run it under a tap just to see all like the juices come out. Once that gets cleanish, I'll put it in the bucket and just hand wash it and like massage it. You know what I mean? Just give it a good old rub. That's what you've got to do. So I'm going to try and undo this packet, and then we'll get to spraying it up. And it says to like, I'm pretty sure there's an instruction manual with this, but it's not very good, so we're just going to go from what I've seen online and make our own way for it. But I'm not sure. I'm guessing it is different with a paper filter because it's a foam filter. If you've got a foam filter, then this is the same way as like a Ramel or the Revo intake system, which is most likely what you're running if you've got Fiesta ST. Let's get to it. Okay, so now we've got our filter fluidy thing ready. It smells like very sterile and stuff. So like I said, this is already coated in a thick layer oil, and what this is going to essentially do is just get it off. So put it on. There we go. So it's not working. There we go. Oh, say a lot of my little fine. I'm not going to wear gloves because I can't find any. So we're just going to go for the basic method of spraying this living shit out of it, like so. Yeah, this is probably going to take a while, so I'll probably just time lapse this bit. And I mean, like, look, I've still got this much left, so don't be afraid to use too much. Better to have but not need than to need but not have. So literally just soak it as much as you can. Don't wear suede shoes because I've just noticed that I have now stained my suede shoes. My poor Janoskis. But yeah, this is dripping. So yeah, I am now going to run this under a hot tap, and you can hopefully, or cold tap, hot tap because it's cold. So you can see sort of the dirtiness coming out of this and all the old oil and hopefully shit that is stuck to the oil. So I'm gonna go do that now. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to leave that in there to like rinse through for like just sitting there and soak for a few more minutes, then I'll give it another rub, and then yeah, you can already feel the oil's gone from it, and look in the water, it's dirty, I'll show you in a minute. But it's my R2D2 tech stone. Everyone hates it, but I mean, I like it. So yeah, just gonna leave that, let that rinse, and then just one thing, in case you think I'm an idiot, make sure you dry it before you put it back on your car. Do not put it on the car soaking wet. Do not do it. Just do not do it. Oh, my new haircut is not. I'm not feeling it really. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you feeling the new haircut? Because I don't know if it's good enough or not. It's got a good fade in the shade, but I'm not too sure on the styling. But yeah, we're letting that soak. Give it a couple minutes, and then rub it off, dry it, and then we'll re-oil it. Drying wise, you're meant to leave it like 24 hours to naturally dry. But let's be honest, who has that sort of time? Nobody. Nobody has that sort of time. So my initial thought was put it in the oven, and then I thought about it again. I thought that was a stupid idea, so I'm not going to put it in the oven. I'm just going to sit there with a hairdryer and just blow it out. But like I said, the oil's off, it's cleaning. I'll let it do its job for a bit, chill on my phone, and then we'll get back to it. I've literally had the hair dry on it for like 5 minutes, and there's so much water and dirt has come out already. That's quite a lot. I've just been sitting there just going around it all, but I mean, it feels like it's dry, but obviously if you can't feel the foam all the way through on the inside, so it's obviously still probably wet. So I'm still going to sit it for a bit longer, just hair drying it and getting through it. But it's very surprisingly very quick with the hair dryer, and I'm surprised how much water's leaked out and dirt. So I'm just going to keep going through it and make this a nice clean filter. Away, I'm on my way. I win boy, I win boy, I win boy, I win boy. In the jungle, some mighty jungle, some lion sleep tonight. I win boy. Anyway. Don't film after just pooed. It's harsh. Alright, we've now got, it's dried, not dried enough, like it's almost 100%. And this is the JDR2 air filter oil. Like I said, I think this is the thicker one, so it should work better. And the oil literally just makes all the dirt and dust stick to it, so it won't go in through the filter and blah blah blah. You come and help? No, you're just retarded. Alright, so I wasn't gonna wear gloves, and then I read it and it says extremely flammable, may burst if heated, causes skin irritation, may cause drowsiness or dizziness, toxic to aqua life. Keep out of reach of children, and the fact that keep away from like everything. Do not spray on open. Do not spray on this. Do not spray in vapor. So I'm just gonna spray it and hope for the best. Really, I think it's got to even coats, and then you've got to massage it in after it's in. So,
what's it made of, man?
I don't know.
It's like poisonous to everything.
Oh look, you see it. It's going like black. See the oils. Oh yeah, look at that. Should have been a fucking painter, mate. Oh, I can feel it going on my wrist. Lovely. Yeah, look at that. Just a good coat. Smudge, you stay away, you little shit. Yep. Distract yourself. Good boy.
God damn it, it's so cold.
It's not even cold.
My hand.
You're not even filming it.
I am.
Oh.
Little bitch.
That should be enough. Now I'm just literally just gonna sit and massage it for ages. Good old massage, little.
No, I do like
Rub it in. When go like that, it's like the back of the shoulders. Like that, don't bitch.
Back of the head.
Yeah, you gotta make sure she's well equipped with the lubricant, because otherwise you don't want her to be dry. You want her to be nice and lubed up. Just give her like a nice back rub. Oh, how are your shoulders? They're good. Just get, there's like 3 different layers of this foam shit, so we just want to get through the layers, you know. Oh, really work them shoulders. Yeah. Oh, I feel your shoulder burn then. Oh, it's good. I think that's okay, guys. Right, my hands are like gooey and like it's like I've touched an alien inappropriately, so I'm just going to scoop this straight in. You can see it's all oiled, it's nice and clean, a lot better than before. Let's put that down there. Oh yes, you like that, don't you? Come on. make sure it's just fitted all around. Feels good to me, my friend. Alright. Just gotta make sure you leave space. Obviously the headlight is gonna sit here. As you can see where it's clipped there, and then I've got HID kit, but that should be alright just there. Finally take these shitty things off now. Fucking shouldn't have bought powered ones. Did that by accident. Throw that on the floor for now. Look at that.
No, you're gonna have to get other gloves to pick them up. Beautiful.
She ain't coming off anytime soon. Bada bing, bada boom. And yeah, that is essentially how you clean your air filter if you've got a foam one. Like I said, it doesn't have to be that filter kit. You can buy, I'll leave a link for that one from AT. And you can literally buy, I think Frosty Fez use some like Shell oil. You can get from petrol station, go Euro car parts anywhere. You don't have to use the first cleaner, but you saw how much of a difference the first cleaner did getting it out, so I would recommend just going straight ahead and putting the larger one on, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'll just put the headlight and that back in now, and then I'm going to show you the new sticker, and I put it on my BM, and I've got new parts of the BM. We've got a new bucket. You can see they've got new wheels. I haven't showed them yet. And then it replaced it again because I did some dirt nasty skids last night, so I need to replace the tyres again. But yeah, let me finish this off, grab the new sticker and show you it so you know what it looks like, because it's sick.
See.
Oh,
Getting not bad.
my panties are falling. My panties are falling down.
Shit.
Don't look at my
jumper.
Don't look at my, that's the Coke.
Oh yeah.
From
shit.
Escobar. Look at these. Look at that. Just this like.
Oh.
Madness. Madness. These are sick. I'm really happy how this came out. Top link in the description if you want to go grab one of these. I have it in black, white and oil slick, I believe. Not sure on oil slick, but it will say on the website with if I did or didn't get them in oil slick. But yeah, first thing you want to do before you put the sticker on, you want to make sure it's a nice clean surface. So like, we're just going to rub that there. Clean.
The state of it.
Look how good these stickers are. Look, one sheet these come off. Bam. I mean, it's a bit of a shame it's black because you can't see it that well, but we're going to work with it. Look at that. Yeet. It's a good rub. What's this? One sheet does plenty on this arse.
Oh.
That is just a good sticker. I mean, you can't really see it because
you can't see it at all, really.
I'd get a black if you're going on a white car or you want like a basic look. But if not, go white or oil slick. But when the light's on it, boom.
Man, that looks sick.
Boom.
So
big things. But yeah, really happy how they come out. I think they look awesome. So like I said, top link in the description to gather on them. That is how you clean the oil filter, I think. I'm gonna start it, make sure it works, but we're just doing an oil check, so you ain't gonna see that. But it's
clean.
What?
Your fucking
arse?
No, your cut, bro.
I was talking about my cut earlier. They even did some hot waxing around my eardrums. It was mad.
Yeah, it burns, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Fucking annoying, isn't it? Anyway.
But that being said, thank you all for watching. Smash a like, comment down below what you thought, and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more content. And more things come to BM. I know everyone's like, what happened to BM? I either say, thank God he's stopped making videos on the shitty BM, or people are like, I want to see more videos on the BM, but BM videos are coming next weekend probably. So stay tuned. Peace.